Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cigna Healthy Rewards program, member guide step by step clearly. To activate your Cigna Healthy Rewards program, first, ensure you have your member ID ready. Visit the official Cigna website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click the Sign In button. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, select the Register option to create one. Follow the prompts to register using your member ID and personal details. After logging in, navigate to the Healthy Rewards section. Here, you will find an overview of the program benefits. Review the listed rewards available to you. To activate the program, click the Enroll button. Fill out the necessary information to complete your enrollment. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. Once completed, confirm your enrollment by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your enrollment is successful. Next, explore the different activities and rewards available through the program. Keep track of your progress through the online portal. Utilize the resources provided to make the most out of your Cigna Healthy Rewards experience. If you encounter any issues, contact Cigna customer service for assistance. Enjoy your journey towards a healthier lifestyle with Cigna Healthy Rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.